Hey guys, the FIFA World Cup is still on, and I couldn't help but notice this documentary style storytelling FIFA videos that have been going around the internet, and they have pretty high views, I wouldn't lie. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make these same videos even in a more simpler, or should I say easier way, with just pictures, voiceovers, and the background sound. Now, in order to do this, we're going to be needing three things: ChatGPT, image downloader, and CapCut. Now you might be asking, so how do we get our voiceovers? Now that's a simple secret I'm going to share with you in this video if you watch till the end. So if your hands are not heavy, give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you are definitely going to get notified. Let's jump right in.
So first we'll go to ChatGPT and tell it to write us a 2 minute documentary. So it has given us our script. You can see our script here: FIFA World Cup, the 2026 FIFA World Cup, a new era of football. So after the script has been generated, you tell it that you want to use pictures to tell this story. So you can see it has arranged the pictures. It has given me another script. In this script, you can see it's arranged the pictures that I'll be needing for each scene, and I was able to split the whole 2 minutes documentary into 10 scenes. So we can see from the beginning, 2016 World Cup documentary picture-based storytelling. So you can see the narration and you can see the pictures needed for each scene. So next, we see how we can get our pictures. So in order to get our pictures, we'll be using an extension, the Google extension called image downloader. So look at it here. This helps you download images of what you're looking at on every Google page. So you can go to Google and type in image downloader Chrome extension. You can see here, this is it, image downloader Chrome extension. So once you download this, you can just add it to your Chrome extension by clicking here and add. I already have it, so there's no need of me adding it. So we're now going to be looking for the exact pictures that we need to actually make our documentary video. We come to the script and you can see pictures needed, scene 1, globe showing different countries. So we come to Google and you paste it, you click enter, put it on images, and make sure it's on images, not all images, because it's images we're looking for. And we go over here to the image downloader, click on it, and it begins to load all of the images that it's able to find. This is where I was able to find globes showing different countries. Yeah, so you just go with anyone you like. I think for me, I like this one. So you come here, click on download, and and click on save. You can see this is the JPEG. This helps you check. This is the JPEG, you can see. So now that we've gotten our pictures, we go to CapCut, create new project, click import here to import our pictures. Our pictures are on download. So we come here, click on all the pictures that we've got to tell our story, and we import those pictures to CapCut. Next, we're going to create a voiceover for our documentary. So we'll copy the narration text from ChatGPT and come back to CapCut. We go to text, click on text, then you see text default. You just click drag, hold drag, and drop on your timeline, reduce your text, and you come to this control panel where you're able to edit your text. And just since you've copied your text from ChatGPT already, you just Control V to paste. So now we've pasted our text here. So over here, still on your control panel, you're into animation, tracking, and text to speech. So you click text to speech and you definitely find different voices. It depends on the kind of voice you want. You can come here and search. Let's see if we find documentary. Okay, so we found something. Let's see.
The world waited. Billions of people. 48 nations. One dream. The FIFA World Cup returned, bringing together countries, cultures, and generations through the beautiful game.
So you just go on checking and looking for what works for you. After listening to all of the voices, you get the one that you really want. I think you want this one, so you can just go ahead and click, come over here, you see generate speech, click on the one you want, just click to generate, and within seconds it has generated your voiceover. After that, I always advise that you pick up a good sound first before laying your pictures. So in order to add background sounds and all, we go to audio. Come here, click on audio. I think I like this one. So we lay our first picture. Next we'll lay more pictures. Fill up the screen, and I believe that's 20 frames. We add motions to it because telling the story without motion makes it feel somewhere, so we add motions to it. So we click on the image, and we go to scale. We add a keyframe at the beginning, we go to the end of the image and increase to how we want it to, and we shift it to the end. So also to the first our first image, we also do the same thing. So we click add a keyframe here, come here, add another keyframe. As we have this, we copy paste, we copy and paste, drag into the timeline below. So now we fill in other images into this template that we set. So we drag this one and drop and replace image, click on replace. So we just do the same for the rest. So turn this one to go to adjust, click on adjust. All we do is we go to HSL, kill every color. We like to adjust gold, kill every other color. So you can compound this clip, and the compounding it, we go to video, come to blend mode, reduce opacity to 50%. We add another keyframe. This is more of like a color keyframe. At the beginning, we go to black and white to it, we blue to it, and we bring it back to color, bring this here and bring this here, and we leave it has something. We also come to transitions, add transitions within them. Over here you can see some nice FIFA transitions. You can pick that, drop it in, kind of put transitions in between them. So let's see how this one feels like. So we just repeat the same process. Repeat the same process over and over and over for all of them. That should do the work. So we go back and you can turn this to black and white. Come to adjust. So at the beginning we add an animation which fades in. Fade in. So we make this 1 second, 2 seconds. Okay, so we come to effects. We add some, particles to it. Add some snowy particles to it. Beginning to the end, you just wrap it, some particles to it. So we have our background set. So now we come and we use majority of the images we have to tell our story. So let's see, we add another picture and about the world, and we go to max it and add some sort of feather. You just cut. Now after cutting your videos, make sure you replace the other videos carefully, the new videos into it carefully, adjust it for it to fit. And with that all done, let's play and see what we have. You can see that smooth opening. Yeah, you can see how, you can see the dust, and that's it. Okay,
Now, I believe you learned a lot from this video. One thing I always advise is put this video on replay until you're able to get every step without making a mistake. Now, don't forget to join our creative community by clicking the link in the description of this video. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell so when we upload another video, you're definitely going to get notified. See you in the next.